On the occasion of the 17th death anniversary of Jagat Guru Ramchandra Swami Haracharya Maharaj, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath paid tribute during a commemorative event in Ayodhya Dham. He recalled the revered saint's contribution to the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi movement and his role in strengthening the spiritual legacy of Sanatan Dharma. The Chief Minister described it as a privilege to visit the holy land of Ayodhya and pay respect. He referred to the recent visit of Mauritius Prime Minister Navin Chandran Ramgoolam along with a high-level delegation who had darshan of Sri Ram Lala at the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi temple. He said they had inquired about how long it took to rebuild the temple, and he explained that it took nearly 500 years of continuous struggle to devotees for this achievement and victory. Yogi Adityanath highlighted the significance of the Ram temple and the Pran Pratishtha of Sri Ram Lala's idol, calling it a monumental achievement. He said that to resolve to build the temple was the collective dream of saints who had dedicated their lives to cause, and today their penance had taken shape in the form of Grand Temple at Ayodhya. Speaking about his personal association with Swami Haracharya Maharaj, he said that he had the privilege to receiving the saint's guidance through various programs of the Gorakshapit. He described the saint as a source of wisdom, inspiration and dedication to Sri Ram Janmabhoomi movement. Despite his high position, Swami Haracharya Ji Maharaj was remembered for his simplicity and humility, always participating wholeheartedly in efforts for the unity of Sanatan Dharma. On the occasion of the 17th anniversary, the Chief Minister said it was a moment to remember and pay respect to the revered saint. He further added that the realization of the Ram temple in Ayodhya must have brought peace to the souls of saints like Swami Haracharya, as the centuries-old resolve of Sanatan Dharma followers had finally been fulfilled.
रामानंदाचार्य पूज्य स्वामी हरियाचार्य जी की 17वीं पावन पुण्यतिथि के आज के इस कार्यक्रम में जिनके सानिध्य में यह कार्यक्रम यहां पर आयोजित है, ऐसे श्रीमद जगतगुरु रामानंदाचार्य पूज्य स्वामी राम दिनेशाचार्य जी महाराज, दशरथ गद्दी के पूज्य महंत श्री देवेंद्र प्रसादाचार्य जी महाराज, वल्लभ कुंज के श्री महंत पूज्य श्री राजकुमार दास जी महाराज, सखी हनुमान मंदिर बुंदेलखंड से पधारे श्री महंत अर्पित दास जी महाराज, पूज्य महंत श्री जनार्दन दास जी महाराज, पूज्य महंत श्री कृपालु दास जी महाराज, श्री गिरीश दास जी महाराज, दिगंबर अखाड़ा के श्री महंत राम लखन दास जी महाराज, उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार में कृषि और कृषि शिक्षा के मंत्री और अयोध्या जनपद के प्रभारी मंत्री श्री सूर्य प्रताप शाही जी, यहां के महापौर महंत गिरीशपति त्रिपाठी जी, विधायक श्री वेद प्रकाश गुप्ता जी, सभी पूज्य संतजन और उपस्थित सभी भक्तजन, आज मुझे एक बार फिर से अयोध्या धाम के इस पावन भूमि पर आकर के इस पावन धरा को नमन करने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हो रहा है। अभी कुछ देर पहले मॉरिशस के माननीय प्रधानमंत्री एक उच्च स्तरीय प्रतिनिधिमंडल के साथ में अयोध्या में श्री राम जन्मभूमि